Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to get free logo design from AI. To get a free logo from AI, firstly open smashinglogo.com in your web browser. In the given box, you just need to type in the prompt about which you want a logo. You can add a related keyword. Once done, click on Generate. Now choose a logo name that you can always change later. Click on Continue to proceed further. Now select an industry keyword. It can be any words related to work, so AI can generate a related logo. Click on the Continue button to go next. Now select up to 3 virtual designers. Every designer has a special style, and you can switch between these designers at any time if you want to try something different. You can see sample logos of each virtual designer before choosing them. Click on the Select button given right next to them to select them. Once you're done, click on the Continue button to proceed further. Here, choose up to 5 brand attributes. Again, click on Continue. On this page, choose Colors. You can go with the recommended or choose your own. After that, choose up to 4 icons. If you prefer a more simple and typographic logo, just skip this step. Scroll down to see different icons and select any 4. Now we are all set. Just hit the Generate button and the AI will start generating your logo. Right after a few seconds, you will receive 3 different logos generated by the virtual designers that you have selected before. You can download these logos and use them for your business. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.